Today in this video we are going to see definition of proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. In this video we will also see how to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction and mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Then we will see how to make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractional number. Earlier my two video which has been released on fraction, the link is given in description box. Please see these two video first, then you see this chapter, so it becomes easier for you guys. Now first of all we start with a definition of a proper fraction. Now a proper fraction. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator term is less than denominator term of a given fraction number is said to be a proper fraction. Properties. As you know, fraction is written in the form of P by Q, where Q equal to not 0. Now P is here numerator, Q is here denominator. So numerator divided by denominator is less than unity. As per definition also, a fraction whose numerator term is less than denominator term of a given fraction number is said to be a proper fraction. Now you can also say numerator is less than denominator. Now see example here. Suppose this number is one fraction number is 3 by 4, other is 5 by 8 and third example is 15 by 29. See, in first case 3 is less than 4, where 3 is a numerator, 4 is denominator. In second case 5 is a numerator, 8 is denominator. Here 5 is less than 8. In the third example 15 is less than 29, or you can say 15 is here numerator or 29 is a denominator. Now you can see all these three examples. If you solve this by calculator or any means, then value will come less than unity. So these three numbers taken for example are example of a proper fraction. Now for a competitive examination you may be asked what about a 0. So here 0 is less than unity, so 0 is also known as a improper fraction. Now next we will study about improper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator term is bigger than denominator term, then such type of fraction is called an improper fraction. In this case, numerator is greater than denominator, so numerator divided by denominator is always greater than unity. Now see some example of a improper fraction. Example: 7 by 2, 9 by 4, 21 by 5. See, numerator is 7 and denominator is 2. So the final solution of this one is greater than unity. When you go on higher classes, then you get this value is 3.5, this value is 2.25, this value is 4.2. These values are greater than 1. Now next we will go for a definition of a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction: when a fraction can be written with combination of whole number and proper fraction, then such type of fraction is called mixed fraction. Before go to more detail, you have just make a revision of division. Here first we write dividend, then here we write quotient, here we write divisor, or here we write remainder. Now see example of here, example of a mixed fraction. See 2 or 1 by 2, 3, 7 by 8, and next example 5, 2 by 3. See, these all are the example of a mixed fraction. or you can write this as a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. See, this 2 is here a whole number, and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So next we will see how to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction, then mixed fraction into a proper fraction. Now conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Suppose we have a number that is a fraction 13 by 4. Now if you want to convert it into a mixed fraction, then how could you do? See, earlier I said some property of a division. So we apply here 13 as a dividend, 4 is a divider. Then we read a table of 4, and now 4 3 are 12 and 4 4 are 16. So here we write the number which is less than 13. So here 12, then we take a difference of 13 and 12, this is 0 1 or this is 3. Now what we write here? Just see, here we write dependent, here we write divisor, here we write quotient, and here we write remainder. Okay, so we write here divisor in denominator, here we write remainder, or here we write quotient. So you can see here quotient is here 3, then remainder is 1, or divisor is 4. So see what you see here, 1 by 4 is a proper fraction, 3 is a whole number. So you can check your answer is correct or not by such method also. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient, then addition remainder. So in such case 4 is a divisor, quotient is 3, then remainder is 1. So this is 12 plus 1, then this is 13. So now we get the dependent value is 13. Next we will see how to make a conversion of a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Suppose we have this number. So this is an example of a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Now we have to convert into a improper fraction. So rule is this. First we write here whole number multiply by denominator, then add numerator number, then divide by denominator, or you can say here denominator is a number of a proper fraction. Why I am saying this? See, 4 is a here whole number, okay, and 5 by 6 is here proper fraction. So now put this value in this formula. So whole number is 4. Now denominator here is 6. Then again addition of a numerator of a proper fraction. So this is 5. Then now again we have to put denominator. So this is also a 6. So 24 plus 5, then 6, then 29 by 6. So it is a final answer. Okay. Now next we will go for addition of a fraction. Addition of fraction, which may be mixed fraction, proper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, whatever the fraction. You guys, what term I used just before, you have to see my first video about a fraction, then it is easier for you to understand. Or link of first video is given in description box. Okay. Now addition. Suppose we have taken a improper fraction like this. Now we have to solve it. So we have to write 3 is a whole, then 2 is a denominator, then 1, then by 2, then 4, then 4 is a whole number here, 6 is a denominator, then 5 is a numerator, 6 is a here. So this is 6 plus 1 by 2, this is 24 plus 5 by 6, then this is 7 by 2, this is 29 by 6. So you guys have to first understand how to make a LCM. So you have to learn how to solve a LCM. So for this regard, I have also made an earlier video. Link is given in a description box. Now see LCM of a 2 and 6 here first. So LCM of 2 and 6. What shall we do here? Just make a vertical line, make a slipping line, write a 2 here, 6 here. We write here a prime number first, which is 2, then it is 1, When we divide 2 by 2, then it is 1. When divide 6 by 2, then it is 3. So LCM of 2 and 6 is equal to, we write from here first, then go in this direction. So 2 is coming first. When you multiply any number with 1, then it is equal to the same number. So we don't need here to make a multiplication of 1. So we write here 3. So LCM is 6. So now we solve here this again. Now in denominator we write 6 here, then 2 3 are 6, so we put 3, then again multiply by this number 7, then plus, then 6 1 are 6, then 1, then multiply by 29. So this is 21 plus 29 by 6, then this is 50 by 6. Now you have to learn about SCF. Guys have to learn how to calculate a SCF for simplification of a fraction number. But we are not going in more detail. So we write 2 3 are 6. So here 3 and 2 25 are 50. So final answer is 25 by 3. Now next we will see an example of a subtraction. Now suppose you have a number 17 by 24 and you have another number 5 by 36. So you have to solve this one. So how could you solve? First you have to write LCM of 24 and 36 LCM. So we write here like this. So 2 is a prime factorization method. This is 12. This is 18. Then again we go for 2 because the numbers are even. So 6. Then 9. Then we next one is a even number, other is a odd number. So we take another prime number. This is 3. Then 2. Then this is 3. Now the final LCM is here 24 and 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So final answer is 72. See, this 72 is divisible by 24 and 36. We write like this. 72 is a denominator and 24 3s are 72. 3 into 17 minus 36 2s are 72. 2 into 5. Then this is 51. This is 10. This is 72. Now final answer is 41 by 72. Okay guys, next we will see example of a multiplication. Multiplication of fraction. Suppose we have a two number 7 by 8 and 4 by 12. So how could you solve this? So we write here 7, then we write here 8, and numerator is multiplication by numerator, then it is 4 here, and denominator is multiplication by denominator, this is 12. So guys, here when you make a simplification this one, then 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 or 4 2 ja 8. So this is become a 7 into 1 and this is 2 into 12. Now this is 7 by 24. Now next see division of a fraction. See, suppose you have to divide a number 7 by 4 divided by 8 by 9. So how could you write here? Just write here 7 by 4, then put here 8 by 9. In division rule, what's happened? This is 7 by 4, then 8 by 9 convert into 9 by 8. So final answer is 63 by 32. Next video we will discuss how to make a simplest form of a fraction, comparison of fraction, and how to write ascending and descending order of a fraction. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Till now, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. If you are interested, then you can enjoy my more video, or you can say upcoming next video. Thank you once again.